Figure 1 shows a sketch of triangle ABC, and we're given the vector of AB. Here it is, going from A to B in that direction, and I quite like to write it in column form for these situations, -3, -4, -5. And then BC is going this way, 1, 1, 4. Find AC. So here to here. So actually, I just got to follow along the blue path, then the red path. I'm just adding the two together that I had before. AB plus BC. So -3, -4, -5, plus 1, 1, 4 gives us -2, -3, -1. It doesn't say I have to write it in component form, so this is absolutely fine. Alternatively, you can write it as 2, underline the i's to show their vectors, -2i, -3j, -k. Let's add that to our diagram. So then I have to show that cos ABC is 9/10. ABC is this angle here. I'm going to turn this into a trigonometry problem and use the cosine rule. So for that, I'll need the length of the triangle. When you have a 3D vector, let's say I'm going from here to here in three-dimensional space, I can create a right angle triangle within it. So I'm going along X along here. It's gonna look a bit like that. What I can do is to work out that bottom diagonal, because this is going to be my Z value, like how much I'm going up by. I'm going along X and along Y here, and I want to find this diagonal. Well, it's going to be x squared plus y squared square rooted, because this is a right angle triangle. And I can take this right angle triangle, and then it will give me, I'll square this, so I'll get x squared plus y squared, and then add z squared, and that is how you find the length of a vector. You basically just square the three numbers and add them together and then square root it. It all follows from this diagram. So let's do that. Over here, I've got 4 squared plus 1 squared plus 1 squared. That's going to be root 18. Then -3 squared plus -4 squared plus -5 squared. It's actually root 50. And -2 squared plus -3 squared plus -1 squared square rooted. Sorry, I should have said I'm square rooting the other ones. This becomes root 14. So then I'll have root 14 squared, because that's the one opposite the angle, is equal to root 50 squared plus root 18 squared minus 2 times root 50 times root 18 cos ABC. Right, we're on our way now. 14 equals 50 plus 18 minus 2 times root 50 times root 18. Okay, I'll bring my calculator out for that one. Root 50 times root 18 times 2 gives me 60. That means 60 cos ABC. Add it onto both sides, and I've got 68 minus 14. That's going to equal 54. Cos ABC is 54 over 60, which simplifies to 9/10 as required. Brilliant.